Last episode, our quality scan caught the culprit. Total charges is a text pretending to be numbers, and it hides 11 blanks. Today we fix it and right type the whole table. Why is the charges column stored as text at all? Because of a rule that surprises people. One bad cell poisons the entire column. If even a single value is not a clean number, Pandas reads the whole column as text. And here there are exactly 11 bad cells, but they are not garbage, they are blanks. They belong to the brand new customers whose tenure is 0 months. They have a monthly charge but no total yet, so the cell is just empty space. The fix is one honest line, convert to numeric and tell Pandas to coerce, meaning anything it cannot parse becomes not a number nan. Our 11 blanks turn into 11 nans. We do not delete them and we do not guess yet. We just make them honest missing values to handle later. While we are fixing types, we tidy the rest. Senior citizen is stored as 0 and 1. We can map it to a readable no yes category. And every low variety text column like contract or gender becomes Pandas compact category type. The reward is real, correct math and a much smaller table in memory. Let us do the whole type cleanup in one file. We will show the before D type, coerce total charges, count the nans we created, convert categoricals, and measure the memory we saved. First we load the raw table and print total charges D type, text, and confirm it cannot do arithmetic yet. Then we curse it to numeric with errors set to coerce and count how many values became nan. Exactly 11. Next we verify those 11 nan rows are precisely the customers with 0 tenure, proving the blanks were the brand new accounts, not random noise. We convert senior citizen to a no yes category and turn every text column into the compact category D type. Finally, we compare memory before and after, draw a before and after type and memory summary, and save it. The table is now correctly typed and far smaller, with 11 honest missing values waiting. Next stage opens with the rule, everything depends on, splitting the data before we touch it, so none of our cleaning ever leaks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.